Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back here for a review after so long, and as the season changes, so does the skincare routine too. And everyone knows every skin type needs attention during winters. It tends to get dry. Products from Blue Nectar and the brand I just want to talk to you about because I have been using their products since a while now, and these are my second containers. No kidding, you guys. I haven't believed these products because they completely help me nourish my skin. Blue Nectar is an contemporary Ayurveda brand. So moving up to the part of packaging, I got the first product. This is Radiance Honey Face Cleanser. Honey is the ingredient that boosts your antioxidant and that natural glow. Best thing about this cleanser is it prevents from acne. It is for anti-aging. It gives you within glow, and this has 8 vital herbals in it, and no color, no flavor, anything in it. Packaging looks like, you guys, it is a pump bottle that is so convenient to use. Pump bottle makes it so easy. I just squeeze one pump of it and rub it very gently all over my face. Massage it properly for 2 minutes and you are done.